Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today is October 1st. I started this project on August 1st. I expected it to take me 4 to 6 weeks. Yeah, it's taken a little bit longer. I also expected it to take about $10,000 to $12,000 and it's cost a little bit more than that too. But nonetheless, progress is being made. Upstairs is done. The living room, the family room, the den is done. Really all I have left to do is the floor and the backsplash in the kitchen. Then the kitchen is done. Oh, trim. Floor, backsplash, trim in the kitchen. Then the kitchen is done. I got to do the vanity in the half bath, install the sink, do a floor in the half bath. I have to do a floor and paint the ceiling in the laundry room. Everything else is done except for what's behind me. I only have 6 days until the realtor has a photographer out here. 8 days until the thing goes on the market. I got to get moving. So I haven't had the camera on as much in the last week and a half, just like before. The more I get done, the longer it goes, the less I turn on the camera. But I do have some footage of what I have done. Stick around, I'll show you that footage, and at the end of that, I'll show you a few of the projects that are done. I get to remove the sink I've already installed because the inside of it has started delaminating. Menards was cool about returning it though, so. Just extra work, take 2 steps forward, 1 step back. With that, I left the tool in here. So I'll need a screwdriver that'll fit through that hole, kid. Okay, you're faster than I thought you'd be. Okay, now I need a 5/8 wrench. It's almost like working on cars again, huh? A lot like working underneath the dash of a car. The internet says it's possible. Moment of truth, huh? Mm-hmm. I hope you can cut it. That washer's a little bigger than I want, so that I'm going to run a straight line next to it to get me what I really want. Ready for the moment of truth? See how much closer it is after I scribed it? Mm-hmm. That looks well within what caulk is going to cover up. This touches here and that touches there. And really, in truth, this covers up everything else. Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
What I think of as the lost civilization was largely a maritime civilization, living along coastlines, living on the best lands during the Ice Age, because inland it was arid, it was...
Nearing the end. These staples and nail holes disappear. Way more work than I expected to hang, but I'm pretty happy with the results. I always like to write an angle in the scrap area, because otherwise I'll get over the saw and I'll cut an angle like this and then the whole board is junk. You don't have to do that very often. Every time you do it, it makes you mad. sorry. Put staples on the outside. That'll go into the 2x4 that's running there.
Mm-hmm.
Then brad nails will go from the, whatever this board is called.
The jam?
Yeah, the jam. That was a stupid spot to put one. Guess where you can see it at? Think the doorknob will still work?
Yeah.
You can see the brad. I stuck a brad nail
Oh, yeah.
over there. There's a brad nail in here now.
Yeah. Oh,
Probably
so
far enough in the doorknob still works. I can go in there with the side cutters and cut it off. That still works.
okay.
My thought was, oh, this will hide it better. And then after, right as I sent it through, I'm like, oh, there's a hole in the back side of that.
Yeah.
There. Halfway now.
Okay.
So I'll do the other side. One of my favorite little projects that we've done is this light right here. It was an ugly tan color. We purchased it at IKEA. I knew when I purchased it that I did not want it to be tan, but I also knew I knew how to paint. I purchased some spray paint and I painted it light turquoise. It is such a cool light. I also learned something else doing this project. I just counted, I have 65 cans of I have 65 cans of spray paint, mostly Rust-Oleum out in the garage. And I use a lot of spray paint, and I have issues with Rust-Oleum spray paint. If you spray anywhere from about a 4-hour mark to about a 48-hour mark, sometimes it wrinkles the layer below it. I've even waited 3 days before and had it wrinkle the layer below it. I've done some reading. I found out that, hey, there's better brands of spray paint out there, but you have to go to an art store for it. I live a little ways out of town. I was able to go to a Hobby Lobby and pick up this iron lac. It's about a 30-mile drive. I would have had to drive twice that far to get to a Dick Blick and buy some Montana spray paint, which is what I originally was going to plan on. Either way, I'm never going back to cheap spray paint again. $6 a can versus $3.50 or $4 a can, the quality is far, far better. If you've never used art quality spray paint, do yourself a favor and buy a can. You're going to love it. And that's the footage I have for the last week and a half or so. I've got all the trim finished for putting down in the kitchen. I just got to get the backsplash floor, trim, bathroom. I got to get to work. I can't be talking to a camera anymore. But I also have a couple projects to do outside. Seal coat the driveway, clear coat on the garage door, take down the basketball hoop. That's most of it. A little bit of cleanup, weed whack, all that kind of fun stuff. Make it look as pretty as I can. But I got to get to work. 8 days. I got to get to work. 6 days from now, we'll have a photographer here. 8 days from now to be on the market. I'll have a total walkthrough video showing everything that's been done, how everything turned out at probably about a week from now. I also plan on making a couple videos, one on the backsplash and one on installing the kitchen floor. So stay tuned for those videos. Please hit that like button if you've liked this video. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. And until next time, peace.